Hello everyone, this is MD Nuruddin Islam, and welcome back to MN Zone 1, YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you all are well.
The Redmi K60 series is now thought to launch as a pair of premium Android smartphones with up to 2K displays and extra-large batteries with potentially crucial charging feature updates. Its Pro variant might upgrade to what will be the flagship Qualcomm chipset at the time of its launch. Whereas the vanilla model might be left with its immediate precursor, the famed tipster digital chat station has dropped yet another slightly cryptic Weibo post that might pertain to an upcoming mobile device. In this case, it can be interpreted to mean that Redmi's 2023 line of flagship Android smartphones has entered a stage of development called Design Verification Testing (DVT), which could indicate that the specs as leaked have been finalized for the two K60 variants. The text is also being taken to mean that Redmi has settled on the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 to power the base model of this series. However, should that be the case, the choice seems a little counterintuitive, particularly as the Xiaomi subsidiary already has a new premium device with this SoC, the K50 Extreme Edition. Then again, the K60 is now once again back to improve on this new top-end unit with a 2K display. It is also slated to upgrade to an enlarged 5500 mAh battery. However, there may be a compromise here as it might revert to 67W wired charging, which may look especially well-worn in 2023. Then again, the K60 is, like its higher-end sibling, said to be in line for a series' first step up to wireless charging, at a rate that could go as high as 30W. Not much more is known about Redmi's putative next-gen flagship to date, although it is said to have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 to itself on its early to mid-year launch.
So this was our video today. Hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please give it a like in the video. Keep subscribing to the channel. See you all in the next video.